Get a feel for the 2015 Honda CR-V. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, moonroof, fog lamps, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm, electronic stability control, power driver seat. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.